I'm going to walk you through how to order new transparency labels for Amazon Transparency if you're an Amazon seller and enrolled in the program. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. So this is the Amazon Transparency website. It's separate from Amazon Seller Central. You have to register for it. And the process has changed a little bit in the past 5 years or so that I've been using it, but here's how to order a new set of transparency labels as of early 2024. So log into the site, and then you're going to go to Code Requests, and you're going to come to this page. So basically what I want to do, I have some products that are enrolled in transparency. I'm going to use this one at the bottom, the blue label, and order some more transparency codes. Select this kind of little downward pointing arrow, and click it so you see something like this. Quantity limit, maximum 100,000. So usually I order between like 1,000 and 10,000 at a time. For this particular item, it sells pretty well. I'd say probably if I order 5,000 labels, it will last for the next, I don't know, 3 years, 2 years or 3 years or so. So I'm going to do that. It's also, you have to select a couple other things down here. One of them is select a location. So this is where they are actually manufactured. And then a lot number. And what I recommend doing for this is actually, I have like a separate text field which shows the different lot numbers I've used over the years. Let me blow that up a little bit. But basically what I do is I have a system, and it's basically using the first the first 6 digits, which is the SKU for the product, and then the date, and then I leave a little note about how long, how many codes I'm ordering. So it's actually, I'm ordering the same amount this time, but I'm going to change the date because it is currently 12/23. So the last time I ordered a lot of 5,000 was actually 3 years ago. So this is going to be for the next 3 years. One reason why I order so many is there's a slight break on the price the more that you order. But one thing I've learned about Amazon Transparency, they never discount the prices. This is basically an added cost that you have to pay as a private label, as your own brand, to operate on Amazon. Even though the reason why I'm using transparency, of course, is to fight piracy. This is an Amazon problem, not a me problem. But Amazon, of course, makes sellers pay for it. Totally unfair, but frankly, it's less of a problem than dealing with the pirates on Amazon who are just all over the place. So there's the new lot number that I have for that manufacturer location, 5,000. I actually looked around on the website to see if there's pricing for what the pricing breaks are. For some reason, I can't find it anymore. I don't even know how it's going to be. I'm assuming it's going to be the same as last time, which was about 5 cents per label. But let's see what happens then. And then, oh yeah, request codes, one product. So here's the product, request codes. It's going to confirm it, and then you confirm. And then nothing happens. Your request codes has been submitted. Your request ID is this. So one thing to understand about these Amazon transparency codes is you'll be getting like a comma separated values file, and then you have to go to a printer or print them yourselves to get the stickers that you put on the label. So I actually use an external printer, but I could use actually my supplier who makes these items. I could have them do it. The printing option, if you do it on your own, you have to have a special label printer. It's called like a transfer label printer. I'm not going to do that. I just use one of the providers that Amazon suggests. I can't even remember the name. The prices are a little bit different depending on who you go to, but it basically saves you the hassle of having to worry about if you're printing out the right size or whatever. So I've just ordered that thing, and then to download it, you have to go to Code History. And you can see this is the one that I just created. I'm going to download it here, save it to my hard drive, and then I'll upload the CSV file to my printer of choice, and then we'll be done. So that's Amazon Transparency. If you want to learn more about how the program works, if you go to my website, leemedy.org, search for transparency in the blog area, and you'll come to this page, which basically explains what it is. And as I said before, I've been using it for years. As a piracy prevention tool, it's pretty good because Amazon will scan these codes and verify that you're actually the manufacturer of record, so nobody can try to copy it and then send it in. It'll just get bounced at the fulfillment center. But as I said before, there are some drawbacks to using this program, including the fact that you're paying for Amazon's piracy problem. And then the other thing is that this website is not really easy to use, designed by engineers, made for, I think, for large companies rather than smaller brands, but that's the way it is. Hope this video helped. Please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.